Good morning. We are replacing a Train XR11 AC unit and furnace as well. So this is the actual condenser. We'll be replacing the disconnect, new whip, setting up the new condenser pad nice and level, and let me show you the indoor unit too. Alright guys, so this is how the indoor looks. We're placing the Ameristar equipment, by the way. So this Train 80% furnace will go out. We're sliding a new unit, new case coil, a small plenum transition. Exhaust gonna be on this place. Gas it's gonna be the same way, I think. The only thing is we don't have the filter rack for the return, so we're gonna make sure we'll install that one. But as far as this furnace, the water heater is on the way, so I will have to probably slide out the return duct completely in order to remove and install a new furnace. Humidifier will probably stay. I might just need to extend the 6-inch. Just clean out the place where we're gonna put the furnace. It's all gone. I removed the return drop just to slide the furnace out. I will have to pre-cut this transition to place the furnace and the coil. I may need to do some modification to the gas line. Yeah, electrical's hanging. Alright, here comes our filter rack for the new filter. Okay, so now I'm adding the silicone to the furnace so I can put the coil on top. Alright, we're in place now. Connected the return to the furnace, put a new filter rack. I don't know if you can see it, else you're gonna seal it. Yeah, the furnace. Yeah, the plenum is what I'm gonna do next. And then the line set and return. Gotta patch the hole for the humidifier, humidistat. Put the exhaust, low voltage, high voltage, and gas drain. Alright, so here are my connections inside. Suction line, nice and bent. We got a liquid line with a filter dryer, and I have very little room here for the hot block that I use, so I just dropped the wet rag inside. But I'm gonna use the hot block here in this one. Okay, so we just placed the new unit. We put a new pad. I had to put a vibration pad just in this corner to make sure the unit is leveled. Yeah, still have to do the line set, electrical box and whip. Yeah, I'll update you on that one. Alright, so I got my line set ready inside and I'm ready to brace. Got my nitro tank here, connected to the liquid line, setting it to purge, and yeah, let's do the brazing inside. Okay, so we are doing the vacuum now. I got my liquid line micron gauge. My Epion core removal tool goes to the pump with the 3/8 hose, and I'm stealing some power because I don't have an outlet here and I don't want to run the extension cord. Let's take a look, because today I got it on my phone, so we at 151 micron. Alright, let's close the suction. Let's see. We can shut off the pump. Yep, it's not moving. So our vacuum is good. We have no leaks. So I'm gonna open the refrigerant. Alright, so these are the readings. We just started the unit, and I do have 58 degrees coming from the supply vent, and my thermostat is sensing 76 inside, so we are all good. I had to add a little bit of refrigerant though. So our furnace, our drain, I put the union in case it gets clogged, goes back to the drain. Our new exhaust pipe connects to the 4-inch. We got a line set. Our electrical, new filter is installed. The gas, had to change some of the connections, elbows. Yeah, so the humidifier, customer didn't want the humidifier, so we had to patch it, the existing hole. Yeah, the platinum looks great. Alright, let me show you outside. Alright guys, new unit. New pad, unit is in level. Got the Ameristar sticker. So my suction line, liquid, new disconnect box, whip. Yeah, they're looking great.